Hi, I'm Tasha Alma and I'm excited to introduce you to a new product called the Oval Inside Out Plates. The plates are designed to work with any standard embossing folder. So I designed an embossing folder to match the inside out embossing plates. The patterns from the embossing folder can be isolated as individual designs or used as a combination of patterns when used together with the oval inside out plates. Let me show you how easy it is to do. The embossing folder has 5 different pattern areas and the oval inside out plates have 9 different plates. Simply select which pattern you want to do. In this case, we'll select the oval pattern. So pick your oval out from the inside out embossing plates and place on top of your embossing folder. Place your paper inside as you normally would do. This will work on any of your tabletop machines. The packaging has all the instructions for all the leading machines. Pop it in, wind it through. Where the plate is sitting on top of the embossing folder is the only pattern that will appear. Using the inside out plates together with the specially designed embossing folder, you can isolate a single pattern like I've just shown you, or you can choose to do multiple patterns by placing more than one of the plates on top of an embossing folder. This will give you all up 31 different designs. Yes, I said 31 different combinations from one embossing folder. Want more? You got it. Place the oval inside out plates on top of any standard embossing folder. Leave out the center plates, pop it through your machine as you normally would, and this will leave a blank area and the embossing on the outside. Still want more? Well, you can double emboss using another embossing folder, just as easy. Pop it back through. Simple double embossing. This is a card I created a little earlier doing this. The oval inside out plates are made in the USA from a flexible but durable plastic that can be used over and over again. These are just some of the beautiful things we have created using the inside out embossing plates. This is only the start of the inside out plate collection, and I can't wait to share with you the new designs that will be released soon.